Due to today is the first day of 2024, I made a picture of all my belongings. The detail is in the end of the video. Today is January 1st, 2024. Happy New Year! Every first day of the month, I will simulate moving. All my belongings can fit into such black quilt bag and this 24-inch suitcase. In the last month, I didn't make much changes. Firstly, I organized this pipeline. It looks neater now. Then I moved the razor and the toothbrush from here to there, which is more hygienic. I also add a small mirror. For the kitchen issues, I aligned these hooks and I bought a new scissor. It's called the kitchen scissor. It has a spring in the middle, so it's very labor saving, and it's also very sharp. Can catch flowers and plants. It's easy to use. No more changes. Maybe just a little bit tighter. Now let's move to the indoor. It's very cold last month, so I mainly bought warm supplies, warm equipment. I bought a new pillow. It's moderately soft and hard. Last pillow is too hard. The last pillow is too soft. So I bought this. It also has a glove of 4 eyes and a slope for your shoulders. I enjoy it. It's not very expensive, about $20. I have another new discovery. This blanket has 2 layers, the wool and the cotton. The cotton layers has no effect at all, so I scissor it out and it's still warm. Maybe the electric blanket is the true one who actually work. This is enough for the winter. And I bought a new pajamas. And this 3 equipment is enough for about 0 degrees Celsius. It's soft and warm. And I found my air conditioner is primary level. It's very energy saving. I have used for several times, but I didn't like the smell. I also bought 2 new pants. They are all carefree design. It's easy to keep it clean. Okay, it's all my belongings, my new changes. Let's begin the simulation.
Thank